Hi there, Miranda Alt here with Keller Williams Success Realty and the Miranda Alt team with your Monday market update for Monday, July 11th. Thanks so much for watching. A quick look at your McHenry County numbers for the last 7 days. We had 191 new listings. We had 161 go under contract, 97 closed, 100 price changes, and the private network, we only have 42. So look at that number. Let's look at last week's number and kind of compare, and then also at last year's number this week and see how we're doing in comparison. There was a report that came out from RedFin this last week that said that home prices are coming down, and we're gonna look at that a little bit more in depth and tell you exactly what's going on in the real estate market. So this week we had 191 new listings. Last week we had 188. And last year we had 239. So we are definitely down in inventory this year compared to last year by about 50 homes, which that's pretty significant for McHenry County. We've also got 161 under contract. Last week we had 155, and last year we had 233. So this week is typically a little bit slower for homes going under contract, just coming off the holiday. A lot of people are still out of town. But what is not normal is we had 100 price changes, whereas last week we only had 63. So we definitely had, when I looked on the Keller Williams app, we did have about 45 price changes in just in Crystal Lake this week. In the last 7 days, 45 price changes just in Crystal Lake. So that's kind of a lot. What is really going on with prices? So activity is normalizing, let's put it that way. We're having homes hit in the market. We're not getting very far with our inventory, but we are making some headway. Remember, we've had very low inventory in our market for a very long time. Inventory is based on household formations. How many people are newly buying homes, not moving from one home to another, but how many new people are buying homes? For example, someone moving out of their parents' home and buying their first home. That is a household formation. We have a lot of household formations. About 27,000 are expected this year in McHenry County, according to Mortgage-Backed Securities Highway. And so that's all those people are going to need new homes. So we still do not have enough supply to meet the demand. So we still have low inventory. So of course, the age-old economics principle of supply and demand is always going to dictate price. So prices are going to continue to increase. But what we're seeing is that those sky-high, pie-in-the-sky numbers, those are starting to come down. We are still seeing the average days on market, according to RedFin, in Crystal Lake are 18 days. Sorry, according to the National Association of Realtors. 18 days is the average day listing to contract. Then we're also seeing most homes are being sold at about 1.9% of their list price. So over list price is still happening. We're just not seeing 20 offers on every property, and we are seeing some price corrections. We are seeing the market normalize. It is correcting. We had a very, very fast increase in our prices around here. It was about 20% increase in prices year over year, which is a huge price increase. That's a huge jump. So we're seeing a little bit of a correction. Prices are not plummeting. They're not going to fall. There's not crashing. None of that is happening. So when you're seeing some of these reports, you have to keep them in perspective. We still have really low inventory. That's going to drive prices up. We still have a great housing market. We do have interest rates going up, but they are still historically low. And we do still see homes selling for over their list price. So the housing market is not crashing, it is normalizing, it is correcting. That is what we are seeing right now. We still have only 191 new listings. That's not a lot. We had 161 go under contract. That is less than what are listed, so that's where we're making some headway with our inventory, but it's still not enough to meet the demand, folks. We're still not gonna have enough homes to meet the number of people that want to buy. So that is a quick look at our McHenry County real estate market. I am gonna do shorter videos more frequently throughout the week because I know I've been throwing a lot of information at people, trying to clarify a lot of what's going on in our economy and in our housing market. And I think it's just too much to be putting out there all at once. So I'm gonna come at you again middle of this week and bring you some more information. But that was it for your Monday market update. I'm Miranda Alt with Keller Williams Success Realty. Call me if you'd like a free equity analysis. You wanna know how much money is in your house? Give me a call, make a comment in the comments below, and I will make sure that I send you a free market report card for your zip code. Again, I'm Miranda Alt with Keller Williams. Have a great rest of your Monday. Bye.